choice. But there still is the Arlot para sa Philippines at ayun na nga. Sanabay na.
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis na hindi na tayo pinag-isip, and that's going to be Arlot, Indonesia. They need I guess physical dito mula sa Lapu-Lapu, apart from the Lapu-Lapu. Phoveus. Okay.
Okay. Medyo masasabi bang maganda ang sagot ng Indonesia? Kasi ako personally, ang ganda.
I think just because of Arlot and Harith Press na Harith, ang daling paboran ng isang Phoveus.
Mm-hmm.
Ang siguro ang tricky lang sa akin dito is wala silang no actual killer dito sa side ng Indonesia. Mataas yung damage nila pero parang walang tatapos ng kills. Siyempre nandun yung Joy at think about that. Pero parang wala sila ng parang pantapos nung kill. Unlike etong Philippines, meron sila nung Lancelot as well as Harith na may parang burst talaga. So, yun lang. But when it comes to overall damage, reliable ang Indonesia. May frontline ka sa Phoveus. Overall, I think that last pick Phoveus is 8 out of 10 na pick.
We'll see if mako-convert nila yan into an actual game victory. Game number 1 between Team Philippines and Team Indonesia. This is Comfort versus Unorthodox Strategies coming out from Indonesia with the Phoveus last pick. Ang masabi ko na siguro dito is medyo nakakatakot lang din yung idea na kapag merong brawl comp ang Indonesia ay ultra comfort talaga para sa kanila. Pero syempre tiwala tayo sa macro and micro skills ng Team Philippines. Lalo si Vinuya, he's proven time and time again. Kahit counter mo yung Arlot niya, wala siyang pake.
Yeah. Maganda yung syempre pag-aagap niya. But I think this time siguro difficulty para kay Mr. Vinuya is that wala siyang parang actual nakakombo doon sa stun. So parang walang madaling way para i-refresh yung mga vengeance, yung passive essentially na effects mula dito sa isang Arlot. And then Phoveus is always gonna be a problem para sa isang Arlot. So siguro ito yung delikado para sa kanya. Kaya naman din maganda yung last pick na Phoveus.
Yeah. Parang yung ang idea dito ng Indonesia is kung gustong lumaban ng Philippines, pwede nating sabayan. And ang kinaganda ng kanilang comp is habang tumatagal ay lalo lang nagiging problema itong Lapu, itong Phoveus, tapos dagdag mo pa dyan, meron ka pang Angela. And yun nga lang ang problema nila, yung finisher nila, even though as you've said, merong Joy, late game pa lalabas yan. So the question is, can they actually delay or stretch the game to the point na magkaroon ng farm itong Joy jungle nila for Team Indonesia? And as we say that, grabe, may gank kagad sa may bottom lane.
Yeah, gonna be the Lancelot now with the Phantom Execution. Mabubuhay dito si Sin. Having to pop that retribution nga lang ito si Nepomuceno. But I think ibubuli na itong Joy. The fact na kinailangan mo dito ng Joy will give some opening para sa Team Philippines. Gandaan lang dito is level 4 na itong Zushin. De La Cruz onto the backline, spotting out where Weedy is. Pero may Angela na kailangan pag-ingatan dito ng Team Philippines. It will be a little bit of a tussle once again. Again, may retribution itong Joy ng Indonesia. At mukhang hindi napapalag ang Philippines when it comes to that retry. Masyado nang late. Turtle now goes for the Joy. Nahuli pa dito si De La Cruz. And De La Cruz goes down because of that. Yung failed na kill dun sa may bottom lane, biting Philippines in the end.
Yeah, good punish coming out mula dito sa Indonesia. And ito yung, again, yung binabangkit natin kanina, yung kapag yung lineup nila kaya mag-brawl. Speaking of brawl, this is my bottom lane, Vinuya getting punished. Poked down to half HP. And ito yung threat ng Angela. Phoveus! Final slash hindi tatama and mamamatay si Vinuya. Naku po, Kuya Wolf.
Wow.
Ito na yung sinasabi natin kanina. Kapag yung comp ng Indo, palaban talaga. Kayang-kaya nilang sumabay.
Yep. Only took one failed attempt dun sa may bottom lane para magbigay sa kanila itong advantage. Soriano against the Lapu-Lapu. Ito naman yung maganda para sa side ng Philippines as they are okay in that department. Tapos napag-double lane naman and din ito si Soriano. So at least the Harith is having a good time. But overall, Indonesia, 1,000 gold lead. This is gonna be a really good start for them.
Yep.
Ito na, yung Tot. Doon sa may gitna, hahabulin nila din itong si De La Cruz. But Zushin and Hilda, mahirap patayin. Lalo na sa comp na meron dito ang Indonesia.
Yeah, medyo kulang yung kanilang damage pa. Kailangan nilang hintayin yung Harith. They will be able to get that though sa second turtle dahil usually mga gold laners ay pupunta naman ng mid to join the fight. Indonesia, looking to brawl at the moment outside of the objectives. Dito malakas yung kanilang lineup. Hindi nila kailangan maghintay ng mga skills. Lalo yung Angela, lately, pwede nang i-spam yung kanyang ultimate dahil 20 seconds lang yung kanyang cooldown.
You gotta enjoy that. Matala, I think Team Philippines wants to contest etong next na turtle natin. Pero ang ginawa dito ni Nepomuceno ay magnakaw muna ng isang rock Ursa bago pa pumalag dito sa bakbakan. Genius one picked up by this Joy first. Talked about this earlier on, midnight. Mapapaganda para sa Indonesia because of their mages. But meron ng clash dito. Unahan na itong si Hilda. Joy activates the ultimate dito kay Hilda. Will not kill him off. Napakadang flicker out. And now, the Joy is in trouble. What a final slash. Mula dito kay Vinuya. Nahuli nga naman dito yung Joy. Joy goes down now. Nepomuceno doon sa may turtle. Uunahan na ng Phoveus sa ngayon. Dealing the damage. Members of Indonesia. Nasasaktan si Cartesi. Cartesi goes down. And in fact, yung turtle mananakaw pa ng isang Gatot Kacha. What started as a bad start para sa Indonesia na turn around pa ng last pick Phoveus. And now, Indonesia in a commanding lead over Philippines.
Yeah. Both junglers dying on that objective and crucial yung pagpigil nila kay Nepomuceno from getting that turtle. And hindi pa sila tapos, men. Lalaban pa si Widdy. Pero nandito si Soriano. Left mula kay Pabico. Tutuloy ba? Widdy? Can he get out?
Lalaban. Naku po, ang kulat ni Widdy dito with a sustain and income sa Lapu-Lapu taken out. Yung dalawang miyembro ng Philippines at hindi pa siya tapos. Gusto niya nito si Jushin. Pabico survives. But the sustain from Indonesia, wala pang Angela sa moment na yun. Nararamdaman na natin ang lamang ng Indonesia.
Wala silang hihintay, men. Walang objective, walang ulti, sapakan kung sapakan. And ito yung benefit na meron kang Angela, men. May isang side lane na hindi kailangan intindihin yung Team Indonesia. Kaya naman yung 4 na members ng kanilang team ay pwedeng lumaban kahit saan.
Yeah. And it's looking really good para sa Indonesia sa ngayon. Some pokes in the mid lane, top lane naman. Pinupush siya dito ni Leonardo mula sa Indonesia. And with 2,000 gold, they're feeling very comfortable. Ngayon, si De La Cruz actually prioritizing the Radiant Armor, which is so important this game. Tingin ko, itong Philippines, if they itemize properly, they can last. But ang pinakamalaking hurdle sa pag-itemize is pagkakapera ka ba? Kasi sa ngayon, Indonesia ang nakunguna sa gold.
Yeah. And ang nakakatakot dito is baka ma-choke yung farm ng Team Philippines. They have to make a move here. Nepomuceno going to the bottom lane. Kaso Phoveus din eh. Ang problema yung mga dumalaw, lahat sila may dash.
Yeah. Final slash committed on this Phoveus. In comes the Angela ultimate. Mabubuhay yung Phoveus sa ngayon. Joy wants to look for this Widdy. Di niya itutuloy kahit tempting na 4 yung mga member pwede niya mahuli sa kanyang taunt. Samantala De La Cruz poking itong ating Joy. Joy with 80% HP. Goes back na Nepomuceno getting poked as well. Pinupunta na dito. What a stun. What a knock-up mula doon sa ating Phoveus. Nepomuceno is down. Turtle naman para sa Indonesia. What a great catch. Mula kay Aranda with that flicker. And they're not done. Cannot catch her. Misses the AOG. Flicker out para kay Pabico. Para lang maligtas. Vinuya hindi na tama yung final slash. Aranda just poking. And Indonesia off the back of this last pick. Phoveus. Napakagandang paangat nun.
Grabe, nakikita natin yung body language ng ating mga players and the Team Indonesia. They feel the momentum right now. Team Philippines struggling to find anything in the early game. Nepomuceno getting shut down in that objective. Napakaganda nung layering nung stuns. And again, one big problem ng Team Philippines ngayon is si Aranda. Yung Phoveus sa may bandang harapan. Papasok dito si Chin. Naghaharap lang siya ng invade dito sa may purple buff and he actually gets... Napaangat! Mapapatay ba yung Joy? He goes down!
Oh my goodness. A misstep coming out from the Joy. Now they want more. Team Philippines, 4 versus 1. Lapu-lapong galit ang kanilang inaabang ngayon. But the sustain from Leonardo is there. Napakakunat. The damage nga lang mula kay Vinuya as well as Soriano will be enough. Indonesia, yung dalawang bida sa kanila in the past few minutes na patumba ng Philippines.
Ito lang yung medyo sakit. Medyo masakit kapag brawly yung playstyle. Minsan, lalo kapag wala sa objectives, may punishment na mangyayari. Pero AOG, napakaganda. Final slash daw mula kay Vinuya.
Yep, Soriano with the flicker out. No purify for the Harit and he is safe for now. Napakagandang stun pa mula kay Vinuya. Dalawa yung mapipigilan doon. Selfie ultimate mula sa AOG sa mga pinaka-satisfying na gawin. Lalo na pag napatama mo yung taunt. However, Indonesia, At tulad ng sinabi natin kanina, wala silang pangtapos ng mismong kills. That's why Soriano is able to get out with the flicker.
Yeah. So kahit pa paano nakikita natin, Team Philippines, mayroon silang repulsion na ginagawa dito sa aggression na binibigay ng Team Indonesia. Pero Wolf, umaabot tayo sa punto ng game na magkakaroon ng finisher itong Team Indonesia. The Joy is getting a lot of farm. This is quite scary for Team Philippines.
And now, Lord ang next sa target ng dalawang teams natin. Leonardo, hinahawakan na yung Lord. Samantala sa kanan, De La Cruz trying to scout out the members of Indonesia. May binabalak etong si Joy. Si Joy may binabalak pero kinailangan nila ipop yung hard guard for this. They will save yung purple buff dun sa moment na yon. Hindi nag-retry etong ating Joy. And now, Nepomuceno will be able to collect yung kanyang purple buff. Lord Dance number 2. Round number 2 para sa dalawang teams natin. Wala pang ulti. Si Joy, amang Nepomuceno, naghahanap lang ng target. Level 13. Nakaka-catch up na siya when it comes to the XP. It seems like this will be a longer Lord Dance. Talaga nagtatansya ng dalawang teams. Waiting for the ultimate itong si Joy. Joy gets it for now.
Ooh, hard guard.
Slowly nakapag-push. There is going to be the hard guard committed quite early dito sa Phobius ulit. Pero nabubukod nila members ng Philippines. Vinuya scouts out the Lord. Alam nila half HP. Weedy nandun sa may gitna. Gusto mo malag AOG. Misses the mark. It comes nila Cruz para lang maghanap ng targets dito. Pero yung Indonesia hanging on. No one is dying. No one is getting poked. In fact, ito si Vinuya. Siya pa yata papasama. Hindi! There is the stunning. Eventually goes down. Summon force coming in. Pero wala silang napapatay. Team Philippines. Laki na damage Aranda. Almost dead. Flicker in. Hard guard to bait out Philippines pero hindi kumagat ang mga Pinoy. Indonesia is winning though.
Tuloy pa rin ang Lord Dance, Kuya Wolf. Naghaharap ng angulo itong Joy. Naghihintay siya ng kanyang ultimate. Hinihintay nila yung pangalawang round nung Angela ultimate and Philippines. Hindi nila maisayaw yung Lord dahil nilalabanan sila ng Indonesia. Slow push by the way sa may top lane. Nagbe-build up for Team Indonesia. Pero ngayon, bibitawan muna nila yung Lord. Mag-farm yung dalawang jungler and pabiko. Just getting some vision and this Lord Pit, De La Cruz as well. And dito na magsisimula yung Chacha. Medyo lang mga konti yung Zushin dahil pwede niyang paangatin si Luigi. Pero parehas sila naghihintay lang ng kanika nila mga jungler.
Medyo malayong Harith para sa Philippines. Half HP yung Lord. Umuna dito si Aranda. Alam nila may hard guard na patalon yung joint ni Lord dito. That's why Leonardo is unable to convert with a kill. 30% HP. Nepomuceno, nagpakita na dito. Half HP sa ngayon. Joy gets the retribution and kailangan tumakbo dito ni Carl TC. Mula sa mga miyembro ng Indonesia. Summon Force committed pero hindi makahit dito si Soriano. Vinuya down. Soriano might be next. Tinalunan na nga ng Phobius dito pero napaangat muna. Yung Phobius Leonardo misses the mark as well. Good disengagement sa Philippines but they will still lose 3. Good in a way na yung dalawang course nila ay buhay. Pero yung Indonesia nakakuha ng 3 kill kasama yung Lord. A massive win for Indonesia.
Massive indeed. Ang laki nung naipanalo nila doon. It is the major objective of the game. And so many gold from these kills. Super important for Team Indonesia and Team Philippines ngayon. They have to defend against this Lord. It is, however, the first Lord of the game. Pero kita naman natin yung struggles versus Phobius Nepomuceno trying to go in, trying to defend against this Lord.
The Joy coming in. Actually, pero may papunch yata Vinuya. Napakagandang huli naman yung Aranda is down. Big problem. Now down for the count for Indonesia. In comes Nepomuceno, but AOG para iligtas sa kanyang sarili. Weedy gets out. And that is a natural push na napigilan ang Team Philippines na punish na finally itong Phobius.
Yeah, kahit pa paano may konting hinga pa. Pero ang dilemma dito ng Team Philippines is scaling yung heroes dito ng Team Indonesia. Most especially the Joy. Even yung shields na mabibigay ni Yehezkiel mamaya ay lalaki as he gets the items that he needs. And Weedy as well getting the chastised Pauldron para do sa Harith. And grabe yung threat nung pagpasok ng Indonesia. May nakatutok lang na arrow. Kailangan lumabas ng Team Philippines.
Yeah. Nagsimula to dahil sa napakagandang simula para sa Indonesia. Getting that first turtle. In fact, 3 turtles, 1 Lord ang napunta dito sa Indonesia. Ganun kaganda yung early game para sa kanila. And since then, Philippines have not been able to find an opening. Even itong si Vinuya kapag nakatalon siya, ginugo rin talaga siya ng mga members ng Indonesia. Looks like Nepomuceno wants to fight in. Kaso naton siya dito nahuli. Ganun bida Thornrose. Phantom Execution doesn't get out. And now yung Joy. Yung Zaman Force hindi magiging enough dahil tatakbuhan lang yan ng Joy. Hinihintay lang nila. They will pick off Aranda for now pero mabubuhay pa rin. Dahil sa isang healing lang mula dun sa Angela. Indonesia are topped off. Sama mo na din yung revitalize wala kay Weedy. It's more than enough to get out. And Nepomuceno goes down the third time this game.
Yeah, unorthodox draft coming out from Indonesia and making it work. This Spovius is a big problem. Aranda sitting inside the team fights, providing the space for Team Philippines, providing the control as well. And Leonardo, yung mga pagpasok ng Bravest Fighter alongside the Joy, it is becoming a big problem for Team Philippines. It feels like the same performance na binigay ng Team Malaysia kanina, wherein they're just forcing the enemies to react, to back away, and it gives a lot of space for the other members ng Team Indonesia. Most especially itong Lapu-Lapu, yung Joy, and pati na rin yung AOG na nanggagaling mula kay Weedy.
The Radiant Armor is now available for Indonesia. Nahihirapan na mag-deal ng damage si Pabico as well as Soriano. It's gonna be dependent on Nepomuceno for now. Lord number 2. Sa sayawan na ng dalawang teams natin. Malayo, etong si Weedy tries to go for the backlines. Mayroong isang play na nangyari naging successful na to. It was Dewa, but Soriano might be able to spot it. Hindi nagpapalikod ang mga members ng Team Philippines. Hinahawakan ng Indonesia.
Oh, they spotted out.
Nasaktan ni Soriano. Sino nagkaspatan? Hindi.
Wait.
Hindi niya nakikita. Ayun na, finally nakita na dito. Half HP ang Lord.
Ace?
Reset mula sa Indonesia. May napaangat.
Lord
That's
dance.
Aranda, but this is gonna be a long Lord dance. Kumakasa na itong Joy. Gusto na mag-dash in Weedy with a taunt. Pero si Pabico yung nahuli niya. Not the best target. What else? Final slash mula kay Vinuya, pero hindi enough dahil si Leonardo para ubusin ang mga members ng Team
my
Philippines.
God.
Soriano far too late. And even when you Zushin ang target dito ng Indonesia, yung mga miyembro ng Philippines magkakadikit masyado. Nasulit yung talon ni Leonardo.
That might be it. Can they end Indonesia? Can they get game number 1? Meron silang minions sa may mid
Yun na.
and they flicker in for the tower push. Ito na ata yun, Wolf.
Game 1 goes to Indonesia.